Hello, I want to talk to you about the Bridges Project. I support building an East End Bridge. It is time we make a decision and get moving forward. The East End Bridge will bring thousands of jobs to Louisville. As mayor, the East End Bridge will be built. Instead of constructing a downtown interstate bridge, let's look at another option, one of building local access bridges, which could be built at a fraction of the cost of the current proposed bridge. This way we can preserve our greatest asset, our waterfront park systems. Assumingly, if Louisville can afford two bridges, instead of the larger downtown option, I would propose building the second one in southwest Louisville, connecting to Indiana. This would complete the I-265 loop. With the Fort Knox area set to gain thousands of new citizens and many businesses, this would be a prime opportunity for Louisville to invest in Dixie Highway and the southwest community to attract Fort Knox residents to Louisville. Bridges connect our communities. We need to build these bridges, and we need to build them now.